Natalia Duarte. I'm one of the mental health counselors at the Cypress Student Health Center, and I wanted to go over a few simple things with you to help you manage your stress. We're all busy and we all can benefit from these tools. So first, let's talk about the basics. It's important to talk about self-care. You may be thinking, well, what the heck is self-care? What does that mean? It's really easy to think about it in this way. Before you help others, you want to fill your own cup first. And by doing that, it helps you to be fully present and enjoy your day much better. So let's talk about a few things. So if you bring your attention over here, we're going to talk about self-care as a daily practice, as a check-in. And there are some questions here. You don't have to do all of them. You could pick one, but it's kind of good to keep 3 in mind. So one of these is, how are you feeling? You can wake up in the morning and just kind of think to yourself, where am I today? Am I feeling stressed? Am I feeling energetic? Am I feeling tired? Right? Another one is, what are your needs today? If you're feeling tired, maybe you need to take it easy or take a nap during the day, right? What about, another one is, what am I grateful for, right? That's something to think about. When you ask these questions, remember not to be too hard on yourself, and it's important to practice self-compassion. So if you are having a hard day, keep that in mind. Another thing that's important are some statements, right? You could think about them as affirmations, or also you can just think about them as ways to cope with anxiety. Okay, so there's several here. We're not going to go over all of them. But one of them that's super important to remember is, if you're having a hard feeling, you can think about your feelings are just temporary and eventually they're going to pass. Another one is remembering that you're stronger than you think and that you can cope with things probably better than you realize. Another important one is, my feelings are allowed to be here. So sometimes when we feel anxious or upset, we want to rush them away or avoid them. And actually that's less helpful than we realize, and it's only a short-term fix. If you do all these tools, sometimes you still feel anxious. And so I always recommend changing your scenery. So let's go outside. Changing your environment and going outside into nature really helps to direct your brain and your body, especially if you're noticing your heart is racing or you're feeling a bit more anxious than usual. So I always recommend taking at least 3 to 4 deep breaths just to prep you and help you calm down, especially if you notice your heart's a little bit racing. Just like this, nothing too hard. As you keep breathing, look around you. Notice the trees, right? Use your 5 senses. Notice the temperature. Is there a breeze? Is it warm? Is it a bit chilly? Notice any sensations, smells, even taste. Maybe you just had your lunch, right? Now everyone that has been watching today can be an expert on how to take care of themselves in an easy way. Thank you.